Hi everyone, let's discuss a question from the chapter Current Electricity, which is very interesting, which is asked in JEE Main 2015. So, question is, in the network shown, when there is no current through 4 ohm, that 4 ohm is connected between E and EB, the potential difference between A and D will be. So, as you know, you can use Kirchhoff's law here. So we can proceed with Kirchhoff's voltage law. Let's see how to proceed. See, first we can redraw the circuit here. See, our circuit is 2-volt battery with 2 ohm resistance, another 2 ohm. We have a 9 volt. This is the point E. In between E and B, we have a 4 ohm resistance with 4 volt battery. 2 ohm. It is also 2 ohm. R. We have 3 volt here. 3 volt. So A, B, C, F. Now let's use the concept of Kirchhoff's voltage law here. See, it is given in the question that the current through this 4 ohm is 0. So the voltage here is given as 4 volt. So it is 4 volt. Let's apply, see, we can apply Kirchhoff's voltage law in this loop. So let's move like this. This is 4 volt. I am moving in this direction. So it will be, it is from positive to negative. So minus 4 volt minus this is plus. So it is plus 3 volt. Let's say this voltage is VCD across C and D plus VCD equal to 0. From here you will get VCD equal to 1 volt. Now we need the potential between the point A and D, or VAD. VAD means VA minus VD. For that, let's apply voltage rule in between A and D. Let's find the sum of voltages in between A and D. See, VA, this is given as, in question it is given as 9 volt. So VA minus 9 volt, we are going in this direction, there is no current in this branch, minus plus 3 volt minus VCD. Given that we have find out the value of VCD. VCD is 1 volt. So it is plus VCD, not minus, plus VCD. So VA, this is equal to VD. So VA minus 9, VCD is 1 plus 4 equal to VD. Or we can tell VA minus VD equal to 5 volt. So voltage between A and D is 5 volt. So let's see our options. So option C represents the right answer. So right answer is C. To understand more about the concept of Kirchhoff's voltage law, you can go through the video here, which is of small duration, and you can go through books, Concept of Physics Part 2 by H.C. Verma, page number 178 and line number 47. Thank you, students.